Hey y'all, so today we are at a friend of mine's house and we are going to be renovating her closet, or just updating her closet. She has a very small closet space and it needs to be storage plus clothing closet too. So we're gonna see what we can do to help her. Today we're actually just here to take some measurements and all of that good stuff, and then in about 2 days I'll be back to actually do the reno. So come along with me. All right guys, so this is the closet. This is actually a storage closet. You can see it's not that big, so of course we don't want to get rid of all of her storage space, but she does need more space for, you can see, her clothing, like winter clothing or seasonal clothing, but then we also want to keep it functional for storage as well. We're gonna see what we can do here. I got some helpers here today. Fat Daddy, Fat Dada. Let me take my glasses off. I'm looking crazy with these glasses. There I am. All right, so first what I'm gonna do is clear the closet out, and then we're gonna take some measurements to see exactly how much space we're working with. All right y'all, so we cleared it all out and this is what we are working with. A better idea of the space. These won't be in the way. I'm just going to measure real quick, and this is everything that was in the closet. So we do have a little bit of work on our hands to try to figure out how to still offer her enough storage for all of these things plus some of her clothing. All right guys, so today is the day we are going to take this small closet and make it just a little bit more functional. So let's go. So this is just a quick reminder of what we are starting with. The only thing we've done so far was taking the shelf down that was there, and the first thing that we're going to do is paint. All right guys, so we painted already. We did 2 coats, and let me tell y'all, these center block walls or cement blocks are very porous, so it did take a lot of paint. Right now we just got this little heater in here trying to dry it out really quick, but this took only about an hour to do this. So now what we're going to do is put some new floors down, and I'm going to show y'all what kind of floors we got. So these are the type of floors that we're going to use, and what it is, it's a vinyl, but it is a peel and stick vinyl. So what we'll be able to do is pull the back off, and then it is self-adhesive. For that little area there, we only needed 30 square feet, and this box actually cost us $12. So we only needed 1 box, cost us $12. This was on sale for 30 cents a yard. I'm sure you all might be able to find something like this wherever you are, but peel and stick vinyl is definitely a way to go. Very cost effective. All right guys, I didn't tell y'all, but Tonio is here. Before we put down the floor, what we had to do was prep the floor by mopping it and sweeping it just to get any debris off the floor to make sure that it adheres well. Alright guys, so the base of it is done. We've done the walls, we put the floors in. Like I said before, these floors are very easy. Just peel and stick and lay them down. They actually have arrows on the end to tell you which direction to lay the plank. And that's it. So now we're just going to install the shelving and then we'll be done. So this utility shelf here, we got it from Walmart for $19.97. So this is a good option for storage. It's very sturdy. It is hard plastic, but it is still very sturdy. I actually have one of these myself. I've used it for many years and it is still standing strong. Guys, this was one of the best purchases. These are the magic bags, and these are 4 jumbo flats. And when I say jumbo, these are jumbo. I'm going to show y'all. We were able to fit 2 comforters and pillows in one of these bags. When I say jumbo, I mean jumbo. This is 2 bags. Look, this is 1 bag. 1 bag. I can probably fit in this bag. So these are a very good option for saving space. Alright guys, so this is what we did. We went ahead and got a portable closet and put this there. So now she has a place for clothing and shoes. Even these cubby holes here, they are very deep, so she can fit 2 pair in each cubby hole. And then this portable closet, it does zip up. And then the back of the closet, what we did, we got this, oh, I already showed y'all this shelf here, and we just put her things up there a little more neat. And then these are the comforters that she had in here that were really taking up the majority of the space, and we shrunk them down into 2 of those bags, and we just stuck those in the corner. Now she did have some family heirloom chairs here that she wanted to keep, so we just have that set there. And then lastly, what we did, we got a hanger so she could hang up her ironing board and iron right there. So now this this space is much more functional. She's able to walk in and get to everything that she needs, and just a little bit more organized.